welcome back in Capcut series. In this video we are going to learn a new tools in Capcut app. We already saw the multiple tools available in Capcut app. So in this video we will see the next tools. Here I already imported one video in timeline. You can see our previous video how to import video in Capcut app. I shot this video on Realme X7 Max at 4K 30fps settings. So if you want to shoot your videos, then you can shoot it on 1080p 60fps, or for better resolution you can shoot it on 4K resolution. So our first tool is Adjust tool. This tool is for basic color correction for your video. So if you want to color correct your video, so you can go for this Adjust tool. You will get the settings like brightness, contrast, saturation, exposure, sharpen, highlights, shadows, temperature, hue, fade, and many more options available in these tools. This is exactly same like you are editing your photos. You guys can adjust these settings with respect to your video condition. So if your video is having low highlights, low shadows, so you can change it according to it. You can increase exposure level and saturation level with respect to your video condition. This is exactly similar like photo editing. Here is the preview of video after applying this adjustment tool. So next tool is a stabilization. When you are shooting with the help of your hand, then there is a chance of shake in your video, so which creates a disturbance in your video. That time you need a stabilization. Capcut app provides a stabilization tool. With this help of this tool, you can stabilize your video in 3 different settings. The first one is minimal cropping, second one is recommended, and third one is most stable. If your video is too much shaky, then you can go for the most stable. Otherwise you can select the first option or the second option. This app gives you well stabilized video in mobile phone. So have a try and tell me how it was in comment box. The third one is edit tool. With this option you can rotate your video or make a mirror image of your video, or you can crop your video in various aspect ratios. So for this rotation you can rotate it to 90 degree, 180 degree, or 270 degree. After mirroring you get a mirror video of your old video, so you can use this mirror option. After applying mirror option you can either rotate or crop your video in this tool. With the help of crop tool you can crop your video in different aspect ratios. There are multiple aspect ratios available like 9:16, 1:1, 16:9, 4:3, 21:9, and many more. You can try it yourself. So if you feel this video is helpful, then please like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned for next video because I will come up with new tools of this Capcut app. Thanks for watching this video.